Hi, alright, let's look at this example of multiplication of two matrices. Alright, so in order for two matrices to multiply, so you have to check the dimension, right? So this is the 2 by 3 matrix, right? Two row, 3 column, right? So the number of column here, the number here must be at the same for the number of row here, right? So the row here you have 3 by 3, right? Exactly the same. These two are the same. The number of column here and the number of rows here, the number are the same. So then the product of these two matrices will produce a 2 by 3 matrix. Alright, a 2 by 3 matrix means 2 row. You have 2 row, I draw a line, 2 row, 3 column, 1, 2, 3. This is all the element, right? The matrix will be look like this way, right? So now you know they have 2 row, 3 column. Alright, okay, let's see how I multiply. So you understood that they have 2 row, 3 column. So how to get the first element here, right? Means this element here, the A11, the element from the first row, first column. So of course I have teach you in the previous video that we go row. There is only 2 row here. So means this first row have to go with each of the column. Alright, this row, okay, see how I do? This row will go with this column to produce this element. Okay, first row, first column. First row and the second column will produce the element for the first row and the second column. For this, you have to take the first row with the third column, right? Take by turn. So 1 times 2. So you have to write 1 times 2, 1 times 2, negative 2 times negative 2, negative 2 times with negative 2, 4 times with 0, plus with 4 multiply with 0, right? So let's move on for this element. So this will be first row and the second column. 1 times 1, 1 times 1, minus with 2 times 5. It's actually plus, right? Plus negative is become negative. 2 times with 5, plus 4 times 2, right? 4 times with 2. Okay, for this, same thing, the first row go for the last column. So 1 multiply with 4 minus 2 multiply with negative 1 plus 4 multiply with negative 3. Okay, so the first row has already done for the duty. It's end. So first row already end the process. So now we go for the second row, right? The second row, 3, 2, 1, right? Sorry, it's 3, 2, 1, 1 and 2, 4. So now it's a second row with the first column. You produce this, the second row, first column. Then the second row with this column, second row with the last column for this, right? So you have to clear what you are doing. So 3 times with 2, right? 3 times with 2 plus with 2 times with negative 2, right? Each of 3 times 2, 2 times negative 2, 1 times with 0. So 1 times with 0, followed by 3 times 1, 3 times 1 plus with 2 times 5 plus 1 times 2, right? So then for this 3 times 4, 3 times 4 plus 2 times negative 1 plus 1 times negative 3. So now you have all the value here. So you have to evaluate one by one. So since you have calculator, I need to teach you how to using calculator. Alright, you help to help you. So now very easy. You look at this. You press on, then you choosing the 4 here. Alright, matrix, the number 4 here. So the matrix. So you choose 4. So you have first you have to define a matrix for matrix A. Right? Matrix A is 2 row, 3 column. 2 row, 3 column. Pressing 1. So row, you key in 2. Right? Press 2. Then and 3. Because it's 2, 3, right? 2, 3. So you key in. So as So you key in 1, negative 2 equal, 4 equal, 3 equal, 2 equal, and 1 equal. Now you double check. Is all the element that you key in correctly or not? 1, negative 2, you see the value here, right? Negative 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright? Then you're pressing the button AC, means recorded. So now you go for option again to key in for the second one, right? The 3 row, 3 column. So how? You choosing 1, define. Define means you key in the new matrix. So 1. Don't disturb the matrix A because it's already key in. So now go for matrix B. You use pressing 2, then you're choosing 3 row, 3 column. So you have 3 and 3. Can you see that? Alright. Okay, sorry, I key in wrongly. So AC again. So you option again. Then you pressing 1. If you key in wrongly, you can choose again B. And okay, you have 3 row, 3 column. So you come up with a square matrix, right? 3 by 3. So key in each of the row. So 2 equal, 1 equal, 4 equal, negative 2 equal, 5 equal, negative 1 equal, 0 equal, 2 equal, negative 3 equal. Alright, then you check. You can pressing this arrow and check. Double check what you're doing. 2, 1, 4. See the number here. Negative 2, 5, negative 1, 0, 2, and negative 3, right? So pressing AC. Okay, see, AC 2, negative 3. So you're pressing AC. And now you want to multiply the two matrix. So you can using matrix A, multiply with matrix B option. Matrix B you have 4. So you pressing the button equal. Then you will have your answer. Right? The first one will be 6, negative 1, negative 6, 1 by, okay, I go in the right here. So you have 6, negative 1, negative 6, 2, 15, and 7. Alright, so this is your answer for this product. So, okay, hope you understand how to multiply, right? Then how to using calculator to get the answer.